afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave with Spruce Industries here for another special Beyond the Product segment on beyond.spruceindustries.com. And today we have a very special guest to talk about PCA, the Purchasing Cooperative of America. It is none other than my man, Pots and Pans, Dan Wagner of Triple S. Dan, how you doing?
I'm doing great, Dave. Thanks so much for giving me the opportunity. Really appreciate being here.
All right, so Dan, can you tell me a little bit about PCA and how does it ensure that customers are meeting these state mandates that I've heard so much about?
Of course, well, PCA, standing for the Purchasing Cooperative of America, is a national purchasing cooperative that does precisely what you just mentioned. It helps a customer meet the specific state or local mandate to competitively bid an account. You know, the state requirements, the local requirements usually set forth a very defined set of parameters for what an entity has to do in order to make sure that they are receiving the greatest value possible. And that includes making sure that that bidding process is open, is transparent, and allows all possible stakeholders an opportunity to participate. PCA does precisely that. They do the work for the municipality or for the local fire department or the local school district. By performing that full bid, they essentially help that entity meet whatever that internal or state or local requirement is. And this, of course, is frankly a no-brainer option because we know that performing a competitive bid process involves a lot of time. It costs quite a lot of money, and somebody's going to walk away angry, and there may even be an appeal filed. And so it also saves that hassle in terms of making sure that they are in fact getting the best value simply by using that piggyback option. Purchasing cooperatives have been reviewed in the court system, and they have certainly been found to meet all state and local requirements. And it's just an option to make the customer's life as easy as possible. Once again, saving them time, saving them money, and saving them the potential for an awful lot of aggravation.
That right there was Dan Wagner at Triple S. Be sure to watch the extended interview, which I'll link in the description below, and you can find it on beyond.spruceindustries.com to learn more information about PCA. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe.